Greetings. We're here in Northern California to take a look at a really amazing and good plant. It's darlingtonia, also known as cobra lily or pitcher plant. And you often find them in these so-called serpentine soils with the mineral serpentine, as you'll find a lot of the rivers are on this beautiful emerald greenish, like the Smith, the Windchuck, the Elk. And there's a huge bog here where you can come and take a look at all this darlingtonia, and they're just amazing. They like standing water, and as you may or may not know, they eat bugs. Bugs go up under the sort of cobra head there and find their way in and can't get back out, and slowly get broken down in the juices down in the bottom of the pitcher plant. And they're really, really amazing. If you've ever seen a Venus flytrap before, that's an interesting sort of version of these carnivorous plants. These are more passive hunters. You're not going to see them, striking out at anything or closing their jaws like you would see a Venus flytrap. But it's a beautiful warm day here. We're along Highway 199 along the Smith River, one of those emerald green blue rivers due to the serpentine and all the soils up in the mountains. And you just pull off the highway and there's this lovely little short trail, very easy. You can come and take a look. Please don't touch, they're very sensitive. It's a wonderful place to come and see them so you don't have to go searching around the landscape. If you're a local and you know where you are, you can find them in some more remote places. But this is a really good spot if you don't know where you're from, because there's a whole big crop of them. And as you see, there's another viewing platform there with interpretive signs. And right now the azaleas are starting to bloom. It's warm finally. Normally this is a wet, stormy, miserable environment. But right now it's absolutely lovely, and between the blooming flowers and the cedars and the darlingtonia, it's definitely a beautiful, beautiful day out here in Northern California. Wow. It's about, maybe half an hour from the town of Crescent City, and from Interstate 5, maybe more like an hour and a half to get here, maybe an hour depending on how you drive. But I just thought we'd stop for a moment and share one of our favorite good plants, the carnivorous darlingtonia or cobra lily. Thanks for joining us here in Northern California.